Hey everybody, my name is Demetrius Green, and today I'll be doing a posture assessment on my wife, Heather Green. So we'll be looking at the anterior, lateral, and posterior view. So starting off, we'll be looking at the anterior view from the front, and we'll be starting from the bottom, and we'll work all the way up to the head. So in looking at my wife, first thing we want to notice is, are her feet, are they properly aligned, or are they rotated exteriorly or interiorly at all? With my wife, I do notice a slight outward rotation, a little bit more on her right foot than her left foot. So that is going to, of course, affect her posture as we work our way up. Going to the knee, so the points on the knee do seem to be very level as we do work our way up on the body. So one thing I do notice is with my wife, if you get to the hip, there is a little bit of a pelvic tip, slightly, which with her, she kind of explained that being the reason why one leg seems to be longer than the other. So with that, it's definitely going to affect the way her posture and the weight balance, and when she carries the load of her body, right? So there's a slight pelvic tilt, in which her right hip is a little bit higher than her left. And then as we work our way up, we can also see that her body does somewhat tilt in favor to that side. If we do notice the shoulders, there is slight difference in muscle definition, a little bit more muscular definition on her right side than to her left. And also, like I said, that does show that favoritism as to her leaning toward that one side. But you do look fairly level across the top. And if you look at her ears, they're properly spaced out and even on both sides. So definitely good posture working up from the anterior view. But like I said, there is some pelvic tilt there. So as we look at a lateral view, you may be able to see that a little bit more as I will have you rotate to a lateral view. And then with the lateral view, we're still going to work our way from the bottom up. So if you look, want to make sure that the major key points are aligned. So if I can have you just cross the arm. So if you're looking at her ankle, the knee, the hip, shoulder, and then her head, you want to make sure that those are properly aligned. But as you can see, there is a little bit of a forward pelvic tilt there, as she's slightly leaning forward. Her shoulders do start to arch back, and as you can see with her spine, there is a little bit of a curvature there. It does start to round itself out to kind of make up for that. But it also shows a little bit of a forward head alignment as well, which is why you kind of see the roundness up above and her spine there. So, but for the most part, like I said, her posture is straight up and down, just a little bit more curved and rounded around the top of her vertebrae there. So as we look at it from a posterior view, which is from the back, all right, still going to notice those same key points. So make sure that those points are aligned, very similar to the front as we look at it from a posterior view. So those landmarks seem to be a little bit even there. You can still see the slight pelvic tilt from behind there. And then you still see the shoulder height, the little bit of the imbalance there as well. So, but other than that, like I said, she does have pretty good balance, pretty good posture, aside from the slight curvature in the lower lumbar and spinal area.